O que tá pra cima, cês tudo? Como é que vocês estão fazendo? Aqui é seu menino cachorro da Academia IPS do Inglês Preto Sexta-feira. E adivinha o quê? Ó, ficou uma bosta, né?
Já tava bom. Diz que ia mudar pra melhor, não tava muito bom. Tava meio ruim também. Tava ruim. Agora parece que piorou.
What's up, y'all? How you doing? It's your boy Dog from EBF Academy about English Black Friday. And guess what? Today we're gonna talk about things that people don't want to translate, or if we translated them, they would be just horrible. And we're gonna talk about fast food. And you know how to say fast food in Portuguese? Fast food. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna talk about fast food, and fast food is really interesting because, you know, this is part of the American culture.
Ronald McDonald loves his Big Mac.
Ronald McDonald loves his Big Mac.
Well, here in Brazil, we have learned so many names, but we pronounce them as if they were in Portuguese. For example, McDonald's, Burger King. Well, we know all these names. You know, those names are common. I mean, we just, hey, let's go to KFC. Ou vão lá no Outback. Ou vão lá no Applebees. Vão lá no Subway. Todos esses nomes são bem comuns na língua portuguesa. But we never translate. Because some of the things, they are better in their original language. Imagine if you had to translate sushi. How would you translate sushi? That's Japanese. So that's why I decided to teach you how to pronounce those words in English, so that whenever you have a chance to go to the United States, Australia, England, Canada, Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, they will speak in English what we know in Brazilian Portuguese. So you ready to learn those? Let's make it happen. So we're gonna start with the first one. The first one, as we say McDonald's, actually you wanna say McDonald's, McDonald's, McDonald's. Some people might call it Mickey D's. Mickey D's. Hey, you wanna go to Mickey D's? Everybody knows that Mickey D's is the McDonald's, McDonald's, McDonald's. We don't wanna say McDonald's, we say McDonald's. And for the second one here, you don't want to say Burger King. Burger King. No, you want to say Burger King. Burger King. Burger King. So say burger and king. The G sound at the end of the word king is not pronounced. So you say king with that sound. Burger King. Alright, so this one here, you have the Hut. You know, the Pizza Hut. Not Pizza Hut. It's Pizza Hut. Look at the pronunciation of the T at the end of the word hut. We don't actually release that T. You say hut. Pizza Hut. Hut. You know, the T is ready to be pronounced. Your tongue will touch, you know, your alveolar ridge right behind your front teeth, but you don't release that sound. You don't say Pizza Hut. We don't say that. You say Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Sounds good? Well, the next one here is called Subway. Subway. Subway, that's an interesting name. I'll talk to you in Portuguese right now. Pensa na palavra Subway. A gente aprendeu que Subway é metrô, né? You went to New York City and you took the subway to go to Manhattan. Subway também vem de uma coisa muito legal, olha só. Way é a palavra jeito, modo. Sub é um sanduíche frio. É chamado de sub. S-U-B, sub. So when you have the word Subway, é um sub, que é esse sanduíche frio, do seu jeito. E é você que coloca os ingredientes lá. So that's why it's called Subway. 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 Sounds good? Não é Subway, é Subway. Alright, let's move on to the next. So this one's here, we do have them in Brazil too, but they are quite expensive. Really good food though, but really expensive. And I'm talking about the Applebees. Applebees. This word is very tricky. You know, the word apple, apple. We have Apple for the iPhone and, you know, the product, the apple. We have the fruit apple. We have the drink, the Big Apple, but a lot of people say, olha, seu celular da Apple. Olha, eu comprei um Apple Watch. Apple. Apple. Ah, eu vou ali na festa, vou curtir, vou tomar um Big Apple. Big Apple. Big Apple. Ah, eu vou lá no Applebees. Applebees. Apple. So the word is apple. Sounds good? And since we were talking about Applebees, we're gonna go for the next, which is the Outback. 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 Remember when you talk about the Pizza Hut, and I told you that hut is not pronounced the T. If you pronounce it, that's okay, all right? I mean, this is a common thing that happens in American English, but if you speak British English, Brazilian English, Nigerian English, Australian English, you might sound the T out, and that's okay. But if you want to sound like the American people, you want to say hut, hut. Pizza Hut, out, back. Little k, outback, outback. Sometimes the k at the end of the word back is not even pronounced. You want to say outback. Hey, you want to go to Outback? Yeah, let's go to Outback. Outback, outback. Sounds good? Outbacky? No, Outback. All right, let's move on. And this here is the last one before we go. And before we go for the last one, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. What other places have you been to and you want me to teach you how to pronounce them? Just let me know down below. It's gonna be fun. And the next one is KFC. A lot of people here just translate those letters. You wanna say KFC. But actually, we say that in English, KFC. And you know what KFC stands for? KFC stands for Kentucky Fried Chicken. You know, because we eat chicken there. It's fried, which is frito, frango frito, fried chicken. And the person who created that, created in a state in the United States called Kentucky. All right, I hope you enjoy this. So let's do that one more time. So the first one is McDonald's. Second, Burger King. Third one, Pizza Hut. The fourth, Subway. The next one is Applebees. And then we have the Outback. And for the last one, and finally, KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, you know what to do. You like it, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell down below so we can get the notification once the video comes out. You're gonna be the first one to know. I'll see you in the next. Bye.